Hey guys, in this video we will learn how to install Oracle VirtualBox in Windows 7 or 10. I am using Windows 7, you can install it in Windows 10 also. Now go to this website called as oracle.com and just you can or else you can do this one. You can just go and type Oracle VirtualBox in your website, then Oracle VM VirtualBox, go inside that and click the download VirtualBox 6.1. And I am using a Windows machine, so I'm giving it as Windows host and just save it. As I have downloaded before, I'm just canceling it. You need to download this one. Then after downloading, it's like 100 or 150 MB. It's not much. So after downloading it, open the setup file. It will get opened. Let me just wait. So click run and the setup gets opened. Click next. Click next. And next. While you're installing this, there will be a short amount of time in which your network connection will get disconnected. Don't worry about it. It is not much of a problem. Then click next and the setup will get start installing. It will take around 1 minute, less than 1 minute to install. It's just a 100 MB software. So yes, let me just wait until it completes. Yes. Let me just wait. Yeah. Yes, click finish and the software gets installed. Now it just automatically opens inside the software. Yeah, we can see the virtual box. In this, you can add multiple OSs which you require. In the next video, we are going to see how to install Kali Linux in VirtualBox. Meet you soon in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for timely updates.